Lame kayo. Kuan na ka ng crispy king. Okay, that's chicken. And this is panet. And this is my plate. This is my rice. This is my spoon. And my cousin, kuan kamot. This is her chicken. Where tunga. This is her. Use a spoon, girl. Use siya sa rice. Bye! Hi, bestie! Kaunta. Nami kayo no. Kampong ta. Diba? Usbaba niya. Usbaba. Bra. Kaon pa ko kuan. Kaon kami? Kami. Okay. Nami. Bye! Manami. Manapod siya. Bye, guys. Peace. Bye, besties.